We are pleased to show you the 2024 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, turbocharged, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires front all-terrain, tires rear all-season, tires rear all-terrain. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.